Mr. Speaker, today Canadians are faced with the spectacle of a Prime Minister who won't admit he's wrong, even when prominent jurists are forced to speak out. In recent days, 2 former Supreme Court justices and even the current Chief Justice have condemned the Prime Minister's stacking of the judicial appointments process as threatening the independence of our judiciary, a cornerstone of our Constitution. These protests, colleagues, are unprecedented, but they were provoked by an unprecedented threat to our judiciary. Will a Prime Minister finally, as the Public Safety Minister said, listen and act for the good of our country and restore the independence of the name of our country?
The Honourable the Minister of Justice.
Mr. Speaker, the House should be exactly clear of what kind of a threat the honourable member is talking about. We are adding police officers to the Judicial Advisory Committee, Mr. Speaker. They represent 1 out of 8 persons on that committee, Mr. Speaker. There are other individuals from other sectors, including the judiciary, the Canadian Bar Association, the law societies, members of the public. Mr. Speaker, I would like to know from the Liberals, I've been hearing this now for 3 weeks, what exactly is their problem with police officers?
The Honourable Member for Toronto Centre.
One thing we like about our police officers, Mr. Speaker, is they're telling this government they should maintain the gun registry that was put in place to protect them. But, Mr. Speaker, if the minister wants to know, democracy rightly concerned when police exercise control over the judiciary. This isn't about respecting our police. It's about respecting our democracy and how it functions and the importance that an independent judiciary plays in guaranteeing our rights. It's about respecting the independent judicial system that makes this country a model to many others throughout the world. Why can't our Justice Minister understand that basic nature of our democratic functioning system in this country, Mr. Speaker?
Honourable the Minister of Justice.
The Liberals say they're always respecting and supporting police officers, but it's a funny kind of support, Mr. Speaker. They say they back police officers and then spend every day complaining about police officers on the Judicial Advisory Committee. Now, I hope that's not the kind of support they're giving the Leader of the Opposition, telling him at the convention that they support him and then spending every day complaining about him. Nobody needs that kind of support.
Honourable Member